Hi there, this is Mr. Tom, as I'm known to my students, Tom Piggott, with a revision to an original program called the Never Be Embarrassed keyboard playing system. This is tutorial number 2. You can use either the left hand or the right hand to cover any of the black keys. Play them whenever you wish, hopefully in time with the music, and enjoy the music, and you can create. Now let me explain this part of the program. In this part of the program, I'm playing 2 lead lines. A simple one at the top using nothing but violins, strings, electronic strings from a keyboard, of course, and the lower keyboard playing a synthesizer sound with some added effects using the wheels on the left, the modulation or change wheels. The keyboard I'm using, very simply, is a little 2-octave keyboard, 2 times, once at the top, once at the bottom. A little digital audio workstation keyboard that everybody should own because everybody can play. All kinds of techniques. Now look, you can use the left hand, you can use the right hand, it doesn't matter. And once in a while you can even glance off of the white keys. Try and experiment, but just stay mostly on the black keys. A little glance of a white key into a black is called a passing tone in music, and it's perfectly acceptable as long as it doesn't sound harsh. Use your ears. Now, listen to some of the ideas in the music. The ideas are endless if they come from you. You can do all kinds of patterns. Now, what I have done is I have taken the music and I have added the music to the end of this program without any of the lead lines. It is strictly the accompaniment. That gives you the chance to practice at any level that you want, touch any black keys you want, and relax. Don't think of it as a music lesson and the teacher's going to slap your hands. No, what you're going to do is you're going to touch the keyboard and make music that just comes out of you. Hit the black keys, have fun. Okay? That's what I want you to do. And listen, if you want to take a video of you playing your melody to this video, send it in. You never know what's going to happen.